Hi guys, today we are going to look at the first lesson of the third standard, okay, NCRT syllabus. The lesson name is Where to Look From. Our teacher told us to draw a picture of car, okay. We all drew the car differently. Next day when we showed our pictures to each other, we were very excited, but Anshul started laughing, okay. He was looking at Dheeraj's drawing of car, okay. Anshul said, it looks like a small box kept in a bigger one, okay. Then Anshul showed his drawing to Dheeraj. This is what Dheeraj has drawn. Okay, and this is what Anshul has drawn. Okay, so both of them drew the picture of the same car, but the drawings look different. Why? Why? Because one is looking from the side, other is looking from the top. Okay, if you look the car from the top, this is how it appears, right? Dheeraj said he had looked at the car from the terrace. Right. Do you think his funny drawing is right? Yes. Yes, it is right. Right. Have you looked at all the things from different sides? Do they look the same or different? They will look different, right? If you see certain things from the different angles, okay, top angle, okay, side angle, they look different. Okay, from the top they look different, from the side they look different. Look at the pictures drawn here. How does the table look from the side? Okay, which picture is from the top? This is from the top and this is from the side. Okay, one of the sides. Some pictures are drawn below. Imagine how these things will look if you see if them from the top. Okay, will they look like this? No, they don't look like this, right? This is how the cooker looks like. Okay, and this is how the chappal looks like, and this is how this vegetable looks like, and this is how a table of this chart looks like. Okay, practice time. A cat is peeping into a classroom like this. She's looking at the classroom. Can you help her find out where the teacher is? This is where the teacher is, right? Who is standing and giving a lecture is the teacher, obviously. Here are some pictures. Find out from where you have to look to see the things this way. Staircase, side. If you look from the side, this is how a staircase looks like. Staircase. Uh, from the top, if you look, this is how a staircase looks like. From the top, if you look, the table looks like this. This is from side, and this is from top. Okay, this is from side. Okay, that is you have to do. Rangoli. This kid is saying something. What he is saying? Have you ever read Rangoli? My friend Meenakshi makes beautiful floor patterns. Okay, what Meenakshi is saying? I am Meenakshi. I belong to Tamil Nadu. We make column patterns every morning. They are made by using dots. Okay, that's good, Meenakshi. You can also try and use the dots given below to make patterns. Two patterns have been drawn here. Okay, by connecting the dots, you will get these two patterns. Okay, you can ask that question. Is it in any way related to mathematics? Yeah, they are related to mathematics. Why? Because they have squares, rectangles, triangles, right? Rhombuses, circles. Oh, fine. Make other patterns yourself. Copy these shapes on the dot grid. Note that some lines in the shapes are straight and some are not. Yeah, though some are curvy, some are straight. Okay, some are zigzag. Use this dot grid given below to draw your own designs and shapes. So that you have to do. Complete these figures to make squares and rectangles. Right. This is you can make rectangle. This one is a square. This one is a triangle. It cannot be a rectangle, right? If you want to make it rectangle, you can still make it. No, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. You can make it square. Okay, yeah, make it square. And this one 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. This is also square. Okay, both sides are equal, right? This is rectangle. This thing you can make it either square or rectangle, your wish. Okay. On the dot grid given below, draw the following: kite, leaf, flower, boat, star, and pot. Okay. Tit for tat. That is a lesson here. One day, Amina met a painter. This is Amina. She met a painter. What she is saying? Can you make my picture? Okay, very sweet voice. She is saying, can this guy make her picture? Then what this guy is saying?
Yes, for sure. I charge 200 rupees for it.
Oh, he's too insane. He's asking 200 rupees to a little girl for her picture. After a while, the painter showed her the picture. And he's saying,
Amina, how do you look it? How do you like it? Not look it, like it.
then what Amina is saying? But this is only half. Yes, this is only half, right? Half girl. Then what he is saying?
The other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror to get the complete picture. Now, can I have my money?
Yeah, he is right. If you put a mirror, you will get the exact picture, right? Amina gave him a 100 rupee note.
But this is only half the money.
Then what Amina is saying? The other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror next to the note to get the full money. Oh, very nice of you, Amina. That is tit for tat. Okay. The painter had made many such pictures in which he drew only one half of the things and draw the other half of the, yeah, you draw the other half of the pictures and find out what these things are. Try doing it with a mirror. Okay. This is butterfly. This is Deepa. In English, not candle. Okay. This is fish. This is cat. This is star. Okay. Can we repeat the painter's trick while drawing the pictures of the following? Where we will put the off? Hmm? That is not possible for this and for this. Okay. If you ask the painter to draw things which cannot be divided into two similar mirror halves, then he cannot play the trick. Draw the three more such things which do not have the similar mirror halves. Okay, that is your work. Okay. Mirror halves. Look at these pictures given below. Does the dotted line divides each picture into two similar mirror halves? Yes, this one is yes. This one also straight away yes. This one no, not at all. This one, no, no. This one yes. This one no, no. This one yes, yes. This one is also yes. This one big no. This one also a bigger no. This one complete yes. This is also yes, 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 no. This is yes. Okay. Using a dotted line, can you divide the following picture into two similar halves? Can you do that? Yes, you can do. So you do on your own. Okay. Can you guess these letters from the halves? Their halves, their halves, their halves. This guy is saying, huh? Can you guess?
These letters from their offs.
This is A, this is C, this is H, this is U, this is B, right? This is K. Okay. No, X. That one is H only. This is C. That is B. U. This is X, not K. Okay. Using such letters, we can make words which have similar offs.
Guess the words by looking at their offs.
Okay, we'll guess. If you laugh on, we won't guess or what. This is H. This is O. Right. This is W. Same thing, right? W. A. X. Mm-hmm. C. O. O. Cooked. Cooked. I. C. E. This is ice. This is cooked rice, maybe. It is dice, not rice. It is appearing dice. Making a mask.
Now I can teach you how to make the mask of a cat. Take a piece of paper. Fold it along the middle. Okay. Once I draw the figure, cut it out using a pair of scissors. Now open the fold and make the eyes nose. Color it and tie a rubber band on its back. Your mask is ready.
Oh, that is very good mask, right? I don't understand why he is laughing in the middle. Okay, anyway, you can make more such masks by taking the help from the following pictures. Okay, whichever are symmetric from the midsection, yeah, you can make such type of masks. Okay, that's it, guys. This is the end of the lesson 1. We will meet in the lesson 2 in the next class. Okay, thank you.